Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, I'm about to revolutionize your drive with the 4K dash cam for cars, front and rear. Let's dive straight into it. Imagine cruising with this ultra-clear 4K camera capturing every detail, from crisp license plates to scenic routes. And the rear camera offers a full HD 1080p view, so you're covered from all angles. This dash cam is wireless. With built-in 5.8G Wi-Fi, you can stream, save, and share your videos instantly. It has integrated GPS to track your routes, speed, and locations. Safety comes first with voice control commands. Just say, take picture or lock the video. You get a free 64GB SD card included, night vision for dark roads, a G sensor for automatic accident detection, and parking monitoring. Drive confidently, knowing you're protected with unmatched quality every mile. Drive smart, drive safe, and capture every moment with clarity and confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Catch you on the next drive.